Insanity day 36, the start of the second section. As I'm doing this, I want you to imagine the theme from Rocky playing in the background. Just hear it building. Or like, it's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. I don't know the words, so I just sing this part. Yes, it is fit test and max interval circuit. No, I've not done anything in 2 weeks, so you know that the fit test results are going to be dismal. Not to mention, it is 9:30 when I'm going to do this, so I am about to flunk out, but I am sick and tired of not working out, so I'm going back to doing it. I never work out because my mother sick, I'm a puss dead and peer stress and we'll start back now. Okay, so last 2 weeks, this is it. This is it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it in your abs? If you can't, then you will. The good thing about my taking a break is that some of you that was well behind me catch up with me and probably I'll pass me more, but don't worry, I'm coming. So I'll be back in about an hour and a half. Wish me luck. Yeah. Insanity fit test number 3, day 36. I'm in between the fit test and the max interval circuit. I don't have my paper with me because I'm not where I usually work out, but I know I'm better than where I started. I have 96 switch kicks, 30 power squats. I don't even care for power squats. I hate power squats. I think they're made from Satan. 113 power knees, 9 power jumps. Hate those as well. Anything with power in it except for power knees. 7 globe jumps. I think I was better the last time. The suicides I did 6, which is actually an accomplishment for me because usually I can't actually do the suicide. I have to do an altered thing. I'm doing the real suicide now. 12 plank walks and 34 low plank obliques. I recognize that if I had the stuff that I did before, it probably would have pushed me more because I always got to beat what was my last score. But I know that some of these are higher than the last time I did it, and it's definitely better than the first time that I did it. So, although I grumble, it's a work. Anyways, on to the max interval circuit. So I'm going to go, yeah, no muscle, but I'll get some juices. You remember the part when we did semi go do the second set of exercise for insanity for day 36? That was a big fat fail. Shaun T said I must know my limits, and I know my limits. My body could not take it because I start to do something and put up my hands on the run up and down. No, pop right down, not gonna happen. So I think we're done for today. We're just gonna do the fit test and leave it at that. Working our way back in slowly. So fit test is completed, and I wonder if I realize something. When I realize that Shaun have a little problem with the maths. Mama love him, you know. I'm not have the same challenge, but him have a problem with the maths. Cause like when him said, Tanya, okay, well you started with 36 and now you've done 42, so that's a lot more than you did before. I'm recognizing that Shaun don't want to have to go for do the counting and all of them type of something there. And honestly, some of the something them that like I am struggling, and 3 weeks later I can only reach 12, and Tanya starts with like 36. No, but like the 5th time I do insanity I will reach there, but for right now I'm just gonna go and struggle with my 12. Sure I told you my results. Yeah, never mind, so them right down on a piece of old envelope. I am proud of myself. Anybody but me also, I'm gonna ask you, do you recognize that before your body starts to tighten up and get really flabby for some reason? Like before, my fat did set, everything did start out and my fat knew where it was supposed to be, and then now all of a sudden like me see fat I run go places where it's not supposed to run. Remember one time when we did the UAR girl tell me my fat disorganized? I didn't want to slap her, I didn't know what she mean. She turned out to be one of my friends now, but now I feel like my fat really is disorganizing itself and it needs to file itself according to some type of plan. So if you see me walking on the road and things are jiggling, please understand that it is insanity's fault. Usually my fat is fairly firm fat. That's what we're looking about. Anyways, day 30, half of day 36 completed, so we will complete day 36 tomorrow. Namaste. I'm not a namaste person. Don't say it. See you tomorrow.